You're a local business owner, but you want to beef up the number of customers you see every week. You're the best at what you do, but marketing? That's just not something you have time for. Every day, more and more business owners like you are partnering with us to boost their local presence and drive more customers. We use techniques like local search engine optimization to get your website in front of more customers searching for your business, product, or service online. But what is local SEO, you may be asking? Let's talk more about how it works. Google and other popular search engines pay attention to keywords on your site's pages, as well as links and info on localized directories, to understand when to serve your website as a result for different searches. Our team are pros at local SEO and work tirelessly to help your website rank higher for keywords that are relevant to your products or services. So if you sell the best baked goods in town, you rank for bakery near me. You're the greatest groomer around? You rank for dog groomer in my city. Simple. So if you're looking to rank higher on search engines and get more people clicking and coming into your store, contact us today for a quote. Your trusted digital marketing partner.